Second method of calculation of interest on drawings is product method. Under this method, interest is calculated based on total products. Now what is this total products? Total products is the sum total of all the withdrawals multiplied by outstanding months. Now what is the meaning of outstanding months? The number of months from the date of drawings till the date of end of financial year. Now the formula to calculate interest under this method is equal to total products multiplied by rate of interest into 1 divided by 12. Let us take a problem, we'll be able to understand. Anirudh, a partner, and his drawings are given along with the amount as well as the dates, and the financial year ends on 31st December 2010. He has withdrawn 6,000 rupees on 1st March, 8,000 rupees on 31st May, 10,000 on 1st September and 4,000 on 31st October 2010. Rate of interest is given as 12% and the financial year ends on 31st December. Friends, as I told you, what is the formula for calculation of interest here? Interest is equal to total products multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by 1 by 12. First we have to calculate total products. Rate is given in the question, 1 by 12 can be easily multiplied. Now what is total products? Total products is the sum total of all the withdrawals multiplied by outstanding months. Let us take 1 by 1. There are 4 columns in the table, that is date, amount, months and product. Now first withdrawal happens on 1st 3rd 2010, that is 1st March 2010, and the amount of withdrawal is 6,000. Now I have to calculate number of months that are there between the date of withdrawal and date of end of financial year. Now 1st March I have withdrawn and the last day of the financial year is 31st December. That means I have to start counting from March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I have 10 months, 6,000 into 10, product is 60,000. Second withdrawal happens on 31st May and the amount is 8,000 rupees. Friends, here it is 1st March, so I included even March month. Here it is 31st May, I should not include May month. That means I should start from June. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Totally I have 7 months. This will be 56,000. Third one is on 1st September 2010 and the amount is 10,000. As it is 1st September, I will include September also. So total number of months is September, October, November and December, that is 4. 10,000 into 4 comes to 40,000. Last withdrawal happens on 31st October, that means October should not be included, only November and December, 2 months, and the amount of withdrawal is 4,000. So 4,000 into 2 comes to 8,000 rupees. Now when I do the total of this, I'll get total products. How much is the total of these numbers? 1,64,000. How do I calculate interest? I have already written the formula. Interest is equal to 1,64,000 multiplied by, what is the interest rate given in the question? 12%, which should be multiplied by 1 divided by 12. I repeat, total products 1,64,000 multiplied by 12%, that is rate of interest, into 1 divided by 12. The amount comes to rupees 1,367. This is how we calculate interest on drawings under product method. Rupees 1,640. This is how we calculate interest on drawings under product method. Friends, next question has 3 partners. Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z. Dates are given, 4 different dates, and amounts are given, and they've asked us to calculate interest on drawings under product method. Now XYZ are 3 partners in a partnership firm since 31st March 2012. They share profit and losses equally, and the interest on drawings to be charged is 10%, and dates are given and the amount of drawings are given. Profit is given, which is not relevant because we are going to calculate interest on drawings. Now under product method, what is the formula? Interest on drawings is equal to total products multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by 1 by 12. If it is a single partner or 2 partners, it is easy to calculate. But in this question, there are 3 partners, same dates are given, but the amounts are different. Instead of preparing 3 different tables, that is for X separately, for Y separately and Z separately, we can prepare a single table because dates will remain same and number of months also will be same, only the amounts will change and products will change. Therefore, first prepare a table having date as the first column, that is April 1st, July 1st, December 1st and February 1st, which is given in the question, and then you have Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z. Amount is given, number of months we will have to calculate. This number of months will remain same for X, Y and Z because the date of drawing is same, and when I multiply amount with the number of months, I will get product. The total product of X will be used for interest on drawings for X, and that of Y will be used for Y, and that of Z will be used for Z. First let us write the dates. Which are the 4 dates given in the question? April 1st, July 1st, December 1st and February 1st, and they said financial year gets over on 31st March. Now let us take up Mr. X. Amount of drawings are given on April 1st 2500, on July 1st 1500, and on December 1st 2500, and on February 1st 1000. Now I will have to calculate the number of months. This is April 1st, that means it is full year, number of months will be 12. This is July, that means April, May, June is over, from July to March will be 9 months. This is December 1st, that means I should include December month also. December, January, February, March, I'll have 4 months. Lastly, February 1st, that means February and March, that is 2 months. Now, this months column I can fill in Y as well as Z because the date of drawings remain same. Shall we first finish that? Yes. This will be 12, 9, 4 and 2. This is also 12, 9, 4 and 2. Now, how do I calculate product? Amount multiplied by number of months. 2500 into 12 comes to 30,000. 1500 into 9 comes to 13,500. 2500 into 4 comes to 10,000 rupees, and 1000 into 2 is 2000 rupees. Then I should do the total of this, which comes to 55,500. Same way, I'll have to complete the calculation of total products for Y and Z. Now the amount of drawings for Y and Z are also available in the question. 1500, 1000, 2000 and 500. Now 1500 into 12 will be 18,000 rupees. 1000 into 9 will be 9,000 rupees. 2000 into 4 will be 8,000 rupees, and 500 into 2 will be 1000 rupees. The total of this comes to 36,000. Now Mr. Z. Drawings are given as 1000, 1500, 1000 and 500. I have to find out the product. 1000 into 12 is 12,000. 1500 into 9 is 13,500. 1000 into 4 is 4,000. 500 into 2 is 1000. The total of this comes to 30,500. Next is calculation of interest on drawings. For X, interest will be 55,500 multiplied by 10%, which is the rate of interest on drawings given in the question. Under product method, I have to do total products into interest rate into 1 divided by 12. This amount comes to 462.5. Same way I have to calculate for Mr. Y, that is 36,000 multiplied by 10% into 1 divided by 12. This comes to rupees 300. Lastly, we have to do the calculation for Mr. Z. 30,500 multiplied by 10% into 1 divided by 12. The amount comes to 254. This is how we calculate interest when more than one partners are given. We can do it in 3 different tables also. Mr. X separately, Y separately and Z separately. As dates and number of months are going to remain same, we can do it in single table also. Question number 3 under product method. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses equally. A drew regularly rupees 300 at the end of every month for 6 months ending 30th June 2013. Calculate interest on drawings at 6% per annum. Now the new thing in this question, friends, they have not given you the date of drawings, but they said he has withdrawn 300 rupees at the end of every month for continuously 6 months ending on 30th June. That means the period of 6 months is getting over on 30th June, which means we should calculate from June backwards for 6 months. He has done one withdrawal on 30th June, one withdrawal on 31st May, one on 30th April, one on 31st March, and then on 29th February, and then on 31st January. That means 6 months ending 30th June. When they say, we have to calculate 6 months before 30th June and we have to start calculating. Therefore, date of drawings will now be 31st Jan, 29th February, 31st March, 30th April, 31st May, and then 30th June. 6 months ending, so I have to take 6 months starting from June. I have to do the back calculation, and the amount they said is constant rupees 300. So I can write rupees 300 in all the 6 months column. Now, under product method, I need number of months outstanding. Now, how do I calculate number of months? If I start from 31st January, January will not be taken for calculation. It will be February, March, April, May and June. I will have 5 months. If I start from 29th February, February will not be taken. March, April, May, June, that is 4 months. Same way I can write 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. Whereas in the last box, it is 30th June. Date of withdrawal is 30th June and calculation of interest is also on 30th June. That means the number of days will be 0. There will be no interest paid for this. Then I can calculate product. Product will be 300 into 5, that is 1500, 300 into 4, 1200, 300 into 3, 900, 300 into 2, 600 and 300, and this is 0. The total of products come to 4,500. Now, under product method, how do I calculate interest? Interest is equal to total products, that is 4,500, multiplied by rate of interest, that is 6%, multiplied by 1 divided by 12. When I calculate 4,500 into 6% multiplied by 1 by 12, I will get rupees 22.5 as interest on drawings. This is how we calculate interest under product method.